Welcome to day 16 of the Uniquely Creative Advent Calendar. I'm very excited to see what's in here, and just opening up the envelope now, and we have got lots of little tassels, and I'll open these up so we can have a bit of a closer look at the colours and what the tassels are looking like. So we have like a blush pink, an aqua blue, and more like a olive green, and they feel really soft, and they've been attached to little gold rings, so that'll make it easy for attaching to our projects. Now I'm counting these out. There are 6 of the blue, 6 of the green, and there are 6 of the pink. I just couldn't see the one hiding underneath the packet. So they're going to be lovely to add on to our projects, and I think we're going to have lots of fun with all the bits and pieces we've collected so far. Join me tomorrow so we can have a look together and what is in day 17. Until then, bye for now.